In this part, I'm going to take you through the workflow that we just got done setting up. I've already created an appointment and now I'm going to cancel it. The cancellation will show up on the Acuity cancellation sheet in your cancellation list worksheet. Let's say someone wants to be notified of cancellation. They would fill out the form here, and this information will show up in your Squarespace form tab. If I want to notify this person of a cancellation, all I'm going to do is copy and paste the date and time of the canceled appointment, go back to the Squarespace form tab, paste it under the appointment date and appointment time column, and then when I'm ready to send a text, I'm going to put X and hit return, although you can use whatever character you want. Now, the message we set up in Zapier will go to everyone on the Squarespace form list that I've just selected send text for. Once you decide to send out a text, this is what the end user will receive. If you have any questions about what I've gone over, don't hesitate to reach out on Twitter at Amy, A-M-I-E, Delisa, D-E-L-I-S-A, or in the Makerpad Slack community.